Have you ever felt overwhelmed by hundreds of incoming messages daily? Say hello to your lifesaver, Mekari Qontak Chatbot, your business's secret to leveling up customer service. Before we dive into the wonders of chatbots, make sure you subscribe to Mekari Qontak for business tips and solutions. Now, let's get started. So, what is a chatbot? Chatbot is an innovative, automated messaging system that can converse with users like humans. Powered by artificial intelligence, it understands and responds to your customers' questions and needs instantly 24/7. Now, let's talk about Mekari Qontak's Chatbot, a powerful tool that brings the magic of chatbots to your business. This system allows you to build a customized chatbot to engage with customers and streamline communications. Imagine triggering messages that subscribers can't resist opening. You can engage your audience like never before. With chatbots, you can effortlessly transform potential leads into paying customers. Deliver valuable content through automated workflows and watch conversions soar. Chatbots can help you empower your business by gathering valuable customer feedback and creating a superior offering tailored to their needs. Chatbot also offers real-time chat functionality round the clock. Provide prompt responses and address customer inquiries promptly. Now, you might wonder, why should I use Mekari Qontak's Chatbot? The answer is simple. It's a game changer. Say hello to seamless interactions with your customers and 24/7 support. Your team can focus on more complex and value-added tasks, while the chatbot handles repetitive ones. It's like having an extra team member dedicated solely to customer service. Getting your hands on Mekari Qontak's Chatbot is super easy. Simply subscribe to Qontak and unlock the full potential of this incredible tool. With easy access to the chatbot development environment, you can customize your bot's responses and add engaging attachments like images and video. Not only customizable, Mekari Qontak's Chatbot now comes with natural language processing AI. With the NLP, your chatbot can understand the customers better, responding to them quickly and more properly. Make every interaction with your customers personalized and memorable. So, are you ready to revolutionize how you interact with your customers? Start using a chatbot today and bring your conversations to the next level with Mekari Qontak. Don't forget to visit Qontak.com to get your free trial and learn more about our chatbot features.